Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix your audio delay on your TCL Smart TV. So if there's any audio delay on your TCL Smart TV, what you will have to do is, the first thing you should do is you should power reset your TV and your sound system. So if there is any external sound system installed on your TCL TV, you should disconnect it and turn the power off. And you should also turn the power off of your TCL Smart TV as well by disconnecting the power cord. So once the TCL Smart TV is completely turned off, you should turn it back on and restart it. And after completely power shutting your TCL Smart TV, you should turn it back on. And this should resolve the problem with the audio delay. And if it still does not resolve your problem, you should factory reset your TCL Smart TV. And to factory reset your TCL Smart TV, you should go to the top right corner in your settings, and then go to Device Preferences. From here you can scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on the Reset button. So from here you can factory reset your TCL Smart TV, and after that the issue should be fixed. So I hope this was helpful and it resolved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.